Alright, hello and welcome to the 1 a.m. Hurricane Sally update. It's September 16th, 2020, and Sally continues to intensify as it crawls toward the coast here, and it looks like Alabama and the western parts of the Florida Panhandle. Looking at the radar, here's a look at it on the radar. You can clearly see, especially on the radar, a very well-defined eye and some of the heavy rain that's been lashing Pensacola and getting up along the coast up into Mobile. And then we have some severe thunderstorms. There's one over Panama City. Actually, there's a tornado warning out for it, so let's go to that right now. So we have a tornado warning right here for this cell. Could be a tornado in there that is now over this band, I should say. It is over, looks like around Panama City. And there's been copious amounts of rainfall already. So we're going to look at the current conditions here, and then we're going to get to the advisory, which is old information because according to the Weather Channel, it is actually stronger. It is strengthening. So we have a wind gust to 89 miles an hour. This is at one of the buoys here. I meant one of the oil platforms. West-southwest at 75, gusting to 89. And I believe that they had a report. Yes, this one right here. There's a buoy right here, buoy 42012, that is reporting an east wind at 65 with a gust to 94 miles an hour. And you can see the center is somewhere in here. We already seen gusts closer to hurricane force, definitely tropical storm force gusts all along the coast here. Pensacola Naval Air Station had a gust to 62. So these are the kind of winds that we're dealing with in this area, and it's only going to get worse as the storm crawls in. Now, the other thing we want to look at is the rainfall. So we're going to actually go and look at the precipitation for the past, since this all started. Let's go here. This is just the past hour. They're getting over an inch an hour of rain. But let's move this up to, let's start this at, let's start this as of the morning so you can get an idea of the rainfall totals here. Look at some of these totals here. We have rainfall totals already 6-7 inches. I think we got to go back a little further than that, actually. Yeah. So these are the rainfall totals, and I think they might be higher than that because there are estimates that a foot of rain has already fallen. But according to the actual observations, we have 7.68 inches of rain in Narvern, 6.22 at Tail. I don't know where that is. West Florida High School 6.59. There's a 9.40 at John Edwards Airport. So these are the kind of rainfalls you're dealing with here, and it's just getting started. We're just going to be much more rain than this. So those 2 feet plus, yeah, could go over 30 inches of rain perhaps in some of these areas. Boy, they need rain out west, but they're getting, they could use some of this rain out west, put out the fires, but that's not what's happening. Santa Rosa Beach, 7.77 with the rainfall. So some really impressive rainfall amounts here. Now we go to the Hurricane Center. And let's go to the latest advisory. And like I said, it's old information because let's see what the latest. Yeah, this is old. It's up to 90 miles an hour according to the Weather Channel. So according to the Hurricane Center, it's 85 miles an hour. So it's still moving northeast at 2, and maximum sustained winds 85 miles an hour on this. So and we'll go to the latest public advisory here, and located 29.8 north. This was as of 10 p.m. 87.8 west, 65 miles southeast of Mobile, and about 60 miles southwest of Pensacola. Max sustained winds 85 miles an hour. It's moving northeast at just 2 miles an hour. You could walk faster than this storm. I could walk faster than it's moving. 972 millibars or to 8.71 inches. So this thing's just crawling away here. Now, there's one other thing I want to look at here. Let's just look at the shortwave IR. So you can get an idea. You can definitely see the eye there. There it is. So this is forming an eye. Clearly see the convection all around it, and the feeder bands. Let's go to aircraft recon because right now they're in the storm right now, and they're reporting some of these winds here in the storm. So unfortunately, this is all in knots, not miles an hour. I don't know why they don't do miles an hour. but it looks like here that we have winds over 100 miles an hour in some of these parts of the storm. So this could get upgraded to a Category 2 again. I think it will. And when I have that information, the next update, I will put another update on here about Hurricane Sally. But it is just starting. Let's just go to the power outage map and see what we have in Alabama right now. We have 78,000, mostly in this area here. Baldwin County, 41,747. Mobile County, 35,182. I would expect most of those cities to lose power, if not from the wind of substations and stuff like that. We look at Florida and Escambia County, 29,948 people without power. This number is going to climb tremendously through the night into tomorrow morning. So that does conclude this update on Hurricane Sally.